Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, PrincetonTrader.com here for NTMarkets.com with your Tuesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, daily chart of the ES. It's about 7:45 Eastern time as I'm taping this, and we're up, we're gapping up about four handles. We were trading up in the 92, 93 area earlier this morning, and we'll have to see what what the bulls are able to muster. Up above the middle Bollinger Band. I still have a small short on from down around 87 quarters, so it's just it's just kind of hanging around there. And my focus on the day hasn't changed. It's going to be what happens to the morning dip, or alternatively, are we seeing a reversal in the trend of the day itself? Meaning, we have pretty consistently had weakness in the morning that has peaked out, and then we've gone and closed on the highs. Are we now seeing, as the weekly pivot has become more and more resistance, although we are trading above it right now, we're trading on it actually, basically. Are we going to see early morning highs or resistance that are sold off during the course of the day? So that remains to be seen. I still think today is going to be a very interesting day in the market to see just what the bears and bulls want to do today. We've got retail sales in about 45 minutes. We've got business inventories at 10 o'clock. So nothing really earth-shattering. So we'll see what the market can do essentially in a vacuum. Pivot-wise, we've got double pivots, 3-day and 20-day down at 1686. The 9-day pivot basically is corresponding with the weekly pivot. It's sitting at 89.5, and that's essentially in the area of the middle band. Your daily pivot sits at 1684. So this whole 5 to 6 handle area from 1690 down to 1684 is really a battleground, and it's a battleground that right now that the bulls are trying to win by getting over the top of it, off of yesterday's lows down at 75. So the bears rather, have now given up essentially 18 handles straight up off the 75, and they're going to have to be careful, because if they give more ground, if we start to get up into and above last week's highs up in this area of 97, then it really does open the door to 1705 and beyond. And so I'm short overnight. I'm very cautiously short, and if the bears can't do what they need to do this morning, in that push those highs down the way the bulls have rejected lows for the last week to 10 days in the morning, then I'm probably going to go ahead and take my loss and start thinking about getting long. But that's we're not quite to that decision point yet. Okay. So everybody have a fantastic day. Mike Vacchi, PrincetonTrader.com. Come check out the website. Check out the evening recap last night if you didn't see that. It's up on the web page along with the pivot points. The chat room is up and running. We'd love to see you for a 2-week trial. Check out the levels, and I will be back tomorrow morning and back tonight with more webcasts. And check out the charts today. Follow us on @PrincetonTrader, and you get those charts right when they come out. Everybody have a great day. Trade them well.